there, I'm Stacy, and this is my friend Rhodey, and today we're going to show you how the Aservo EquiHaler works. The Aservo EquiHaler is a novel glucocorticoid, ciclesonide, delivered in the form of an inhalable soft mist. It's comprised of 6 features: the nostril adapter, the breath indicator, the handle, the prime and release lever, the piercing element, and the fill indicator. Please note that it's designed for left-hand use, which allows your right hand to control your horse. To prepare and administer the product, follow the 3 steps: pierce, prime, and puff. Pierce by pushing the piercing element upwards until you hear a click. Prime by performing 3 complete puffs with the prime and release lever. Now you're ready to puff, but a puff is created by 1 full pull and release to load the spring, and a half pull to spray the mist. After 3 puffs, it's ready to puff for the next 10 days of treatment. Now you're ready to administer. To do that, you hold your left elbow up, you hold your right hand over the horse's nose, and you're gonna put the nostril adapter into the nostril and rotate it so the handle is facing down. From there, watch the breath indicator move inward with each inhale and outward with each exhale. The optimal time to puff is the moment right before an inhale, when the indicator is fully curved outwards. Remember, a puff is a full pull, let go, a half pull, let go. You're gonna do 8 puffs twice a day for days 1 through 5, and 12 puffs once a day for days 6 through 10. The fill indicator at the bottom of the handle will reflect the proportion of usable treatment still remaining inside. It's as easy as that: pierce, prime, puff.
Aservo EquiHaler has not been evaluated in pregnant or lactating mares. In a large clinical field study, the most common adverse reactions reported were coughing, nasal discharge, sneezing, and nasal irritation, bleeding. Concurrent use of other anti-inflammatory drugs should be approached with caution, not for use in humans.